Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you didn't basically get any notifications from Garmin Connect or from device. You're currently asking on how to turn on them notifications in the app so it can show up on your phone or your devices. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna go through how to turn on notifications in the app called Garmin Connect in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, since this tutorial is phone specific, you can either go to iPhone or iOS. So if you are on iPhone, just go all the way to your settings, then look for notifications, look for the app called Garmin Connect, then toggle allow notifications on. But for us, we are on Android, it's quite easy, just tap on the app or basically long press it, then tap on info here, go all the way to notifications and allow them. So if you still allow notifications from here, but nothing happens, we're gonna go back to the app so you can check in-app notifications. So tap on the app, go all the way, log in using your email address and password, then tap on this three-dot menu or more. Then tap on settings here, then go all the way to notifications here, and make sure you activate both push notifications and in-app notification. And that's it basically. As for this step, you can do it on Android or iOS. It's basically the same steps. You can then, if basically you have another device connected, you can even toggle on news and offers, challenges and social, product updates, or even some wellness insights. Toggle each on or off based on what you want. If you are tired of Garmin telling you to move, just turn off wellness insights, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.